First, we need a listing source for the booking data, and just like in a few previous cases, this will be based on a query builder. So let's go to JetEngine Query Builder and create a new query. I'll call it Upcoming Bookings. Set the query type to JetBooking Query. Then scroll down to the Date Query section. Add New Date Query clause. Here choose check-in date as the date field. Set the comparison operator to greater than, and for the value use the today macro. We also need to make sure vendors see only their own bookings. For that, go to General Settings of the query and in the vendor field select the queried user ID macro. Once that's done, save the query. Now we'll create a new query-based listing. I'll keep it very simple and just add a dynamic field widget with the source set to product title. After that, we'll use this listing in the multi-day calendar widget on the booking calendar template. There we also need to set group posts by to booking date, so the calendar knows how to place bookings across the days they cover. We're almost done with the setup. There are just 3 more small tweaks. First, back at the beginning we created the vendor listing, but we left the link unfinished. So let's open that listing, the one for vendors, and finish the dynamic link settings. Set the link source to profile page and as the target choose the listing user page. Since we didn't create separate standalone templates for the user pages, we can simply use the default slug that Profile Builder suggests. Second, let's create a login page for vendors and connect it properly to the site. I'm going to create a new JetFormBuilder form with 3 fields: a text field for login email, a password field, and a switcher for remember me. Then we add 2 post-submit actions. The first one is user login. It comes with the JetFormBuilder Pro add-on. In the user login action settings, we map the 3 fields from the form to the login, password, and remember options and save the action. The second action is redirect to page, and as a destination we select the vendor account page. After that we create a separate login page and place this form there using the JetForm widget. One more step. Go back to Profile Builder, open the main settings for the account page, because this page is not public, and set the redirect URL to your new login page. And finally, now that all the profile pages are ready, let's make an adjustment to the site navigation so testing everything is easier. Go to Appearance, Themes, Customize for the active theme, then open the navigation section. Here you can add the pages you need and remove everything that isn't relevant. This way it's easier to switch between key pages while checking how everything works. While we're here, I will also set the page where we place the listings for properties and vendors as the home page.